Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will walk you through a logo and a business card design project. And because many of you asked me how I did my logo design presentation in the last tutorial video, I decided to show it to you today. As I told you in the last tutorial, L will mention the 3 best comment, so, this is it. So, you will first watch me designing the logo. Then I will use the logo to design a print-ready business card. And finally, I will show you how to design a good-looking presentation, to showcase your work for the client. Okay, my client is Robert Reynolds, and he is a modern architect. He asked for a logo and business card design. And the values I have to achieve in this project are modern, simple, architecture, construction and minimal. So let's get started. I will make a monogram logo for Robert, so I will start by making a custom letter R. So, with the pen tool, I'll make 4 anchor points here. And go down right here, and make another anchor point. Swipe color to stroke, OK. Select the line, then increase its size to 60 points. With the direct selection tool, hold Shift and select this 2 points. Now drag the live widgets to round the corners. If you don't have Illustrator CC, check out the How to Round Corners video. Select the line, go to Object and click on Expand, then click OK. Select the Eraser tool, and hold Alt and drag to delete this part, and make it aligned with the top part. Again, hold Alt and drag to make it aligned from the left side. Now, delete the bottom sharp end. This is our custom letter R. Now, I'll try to make it double R for Robert Reynolds. With the pen tool, make the same line above the letter R. Swipe color to stroke, then change the black color to white. Increase the size. With the direct selection tool, select this 2 point, and drag it to the left, like this. Now, drag the live widget to round the corners. Select the line and go to Object, then click on Expand, then press OK. Select everything, go to Pathfinder, and click on -front. OK, it looks good now. I'll add a line to give it architectural look. Then increase its size a little. OK, this is one concept. I will make some more to choose from. I forget to duplicate the custom letter R, so I will use this to remake it. With the pen tool, close the gaps in the letter. Now, select everything, and with the shape builder, draw in the white part to fill it. Go to Pathfinder, then click Unite. OK, hold Alt and drag the shape to left. Select the new letter, go to Object, Transform, then click on Reflect. Select the horizontal option, then press OK. Now, repeat the same process, but choose the vertical option. Maybe I move this a little up. Select the pen tool, then make a line in the middle. Then swipe the fill to stroke. Hold Alt and Shift, then drag to make the line grow proportionally. Increase the size to 3 points. I don't like this alignment, I think I should get it back to center. Select everything, then align to center. Select the line, go to Object, then Expand and then press OK. OK, this is another concept. I kind of like it. Let's make another one and see. Duplicate this concept, and I will try to make another concept from it. The more you experiment, the more you will find happy accident. Okay, this is our 3 concept. And I really like this one, and I will go with it. Now, I will work on the name. This font is Open Sans, it is nice, but I will use another one. Press Shift and Enter to return to the line. I'll go to Character window and click here to make it uppercase. I will change the last name to Light. Always skip a weight to make a good contrast. I learned this from 10 Typography Rules by Chris Do. You can find the video link in the description. Decrease the size of the last name to approximately the half of the main name. Then increase the tracking until it fits under it. Okay, I'll make it a little bit bigger, then I will change the font to Montserrat. This font is inspired by Urban Signage. I really like it, and it's good for this specific logo. Now I will align the name with the monogram. You can do this using guides for a better result. Okay, this is pretty much our logo. Now I will pick some colors. As always, Adobe Color is my go-to place for color palettes. Go to Explore, then search with the keyword you want. I'll try building. Maybe architecture. Then I will search for what will fit the project. Okay, I like this one. Click on Edit Copy. You will find the color codes here. Just select anyone and copy it. OK. This is the two colors that I copied from the palette. With the eyedropper, I will pick the dark color to the first name, and the gray for the last name. Also, the right side of the monogram with the gray color, and the left side with the dark one. This line also will get the dark color, and we are good to go. Now we will make the business card, but first I will show you the right document setting to a print ready file. First, go to File and click on New to create a new document. Once on the document setting window, name your document. Set the units to inches. And for the width and height, we will use the standard dimensions, which is 3.5 inches by 2. To make a front and back business card, set the number of artboards at 2. And I will set the bleed at 0.125. Change the color mode to cmyk, that's the printing color mode. OK, this is our layout. The red line indicates the bleed zone, which we will extend the background to it, to avoid having a white border when cutting it down after printing. Now, we will make the safety margin, which will be between all the elements and borders to avoid it from being trimmed. It's 0.25 inches, so I will make a 3.25 by 1.75 rectangle. And go to the Align window. Make sure the Align to Artboard option checked, and align it to center vertically and horizontally. Right-click, then click on Make Guides. OK, everything is good. Now, I will start to make our business card design. First I will make a background and give it the dark color. Now, I will change the color of the dark parts of the logo to white. Drag the logo to the safe zone. Right-click, and click on Arrange, then bring to front. I'll decrease the size and place it here. Now, I will drag it down a little. Double-click on the logo to isolate it, select the line on the monogram, Ctrl-C to copy it, double-click on Canvas to get out, then Ctrl-F, to paste the line in front, then drag it down here, and make it longer. I will use it to group the contact information of Robert, to make it look more orderly. Select the text tool, and write the contact information. Set the weight to light, and deactivate the uppercase option. I'll set the font size to 8 points. Hold Shift and select all the info lines. Then go to Align window, and click on Vertical Distribute Center. Now, drag it a little bit down, and I will try to make this line aligned with the text. And now I will align the info with the logo name. Ctrl R, to activate the ruler, drag a vertical guide and align it with the logo name. Then align the info text to the guide. Right-click, unlock the guides and take it off, then lock it again. Select everything, and try to move it to the center. You can see that I increased the size of the logo. As our client is an architect, I will reflect that on the design by making a ruler effect, but I will keep it simple. With the pen tool, make a line from the right side. Then swipe the color to stroke. Decrease the size to 0.5 points. Hold Alt and drag it down, then make it shorter. Hold Shift, and select the two lines, then hold Alt and Shift, then drag it down. Now while the two new lines selected, repeat pressing Ctrl D, to repeat the process. Select all the lines and align it to center. Drag two horizontal guides, and align it with the text from both sides. Then justify the lines to the guides. I think I'll decrease more the size of the lines. And I will change the info text weight from light to thin. Okay, so far so good. I have to put the title of Robert, which is architect. I'll duplicate this line, then write the word architect. Increase the tracking to 200. And change the weight to light. Now, align it with the top of the logo here. Now, I'll go to Object, then I click on Unlock All to unlock the background. Now, stretch it to fit the bleed line. Hold Alt, then drag it to the backside artboard. Select the two backgrounds and lock it again. Right-click, then unlock Guides, and hold Alt and drag the safety margin line to the backside artboard. Now, select the ruler effect lines, then hold Alt and drag it. Then stretch it to the left a little bit. Okay, our business card is ready to print. Go to File, then Save As, and change the file type to PDF. Then click on Save. A PDF save window will pop up. Change the PDF preset to Press Quality, then go to Mark and Bleeds. And check the Trimmed Marks option, then go down and check the Use Document Bleed setting, and set the offset number the same as you set the bleed, 0.125. And press Save PDF. Okay, this is our print-ready PDF. You can see that the trimmed marks are automatically generated. Okay, now, we will make the logo and business card presentation that we will send to the client. Many of you asked me how I did it in the last video, so this is it. The document is 1280 wide. I'll start by putting the logo in a big size so the client can clearly see it. Align it to center. Then make a rectangle on top with the same width of the document with the dark color. Then make a thinner one just underneath it with the gray colors. This is just for the sake of presentation. Make the logo a little bit bigger, then with the rectangle tool, make a small square. Then duplicate it, and give it the dark color. Copy the gray color code. Then paste it next to the square. And add a hash symbol to it. And color it with gray. Now make the same thing to the dark color, and align it perfectly under the logo. With the pen tool, make a line from the gray square to the right side of the document. Then with the eyedropper tool, give it the gray color, then swipe the fill to stroke. Now do the same thing to the dark color. I am just trying to make a good looking presentation. Now stretch the artboard a little. Then make a square from the middle to the right side. Fill it with the dark color. Then select the logo, and hold Alt and drag it down. Now, change the dark color of the logo to white. Then drag it to the square, right-click and bring it to front. Now make it smaller, and drag it to the center of the square. This is an image of modern architecture. You can use any image you want. Place it next to the square, then hold Shift and stretch it to fill the canvas. Align it with the square, then hold Alt and drag the square on top of it. Right-click and bring it to front. Then stretch it to cover the image. Hold Shift and select it together, then go to Object, then scroll down to Clipping Mask, then click on Make. Again, hold Alt and drag the dark square on top of the photo. Bring it to front and stretch it. Then go to Transparency panel, and change the color mode to Multiply, then decrease the opacity. Now, double-click on the logo, select the monogram, then Ctrl-C to copy it, then Ctrl-F to paste in front, then drag it to the center of the image, and with the eyedropper, give it the white color. Now, increase its size. And decrease the opacity a little. Okay, this is a PSD mockup. You can download it for free from the link in the description. This the layers of the front card and this are the layers of the back. Now, double-click on this layer and a new document will open. This is where we will put our business card elements. Deactivate the original layers. And let this one. Go back to Illustrator, and pick the color code of the background. Return to Photoshop, click on this layer, then paste the code. OK, now we will import the business card elements. Go to Illustrator, then select all the elements. Go to Edit and click on Copy. Return to Photoshop, go to Edit, then click on Paste, then press OK. Now align everything to right, then press Enter, and press Ctrl S to save. OK, this our mockup after adding our business card. Do the same thing to the back side and you will get this. With the Marquee tool, select the part you like from the mockup. Then go to Edit, and click on Copy Merged. Go to Illustrator, and stretch the artboard down. Then paste the selection. Then align it with the document and the other elements, then hold Shift, and size it down to fit the canvas. Right-click and send it to back. Then make a rectangle along the photo. And give it the dark color, then from the transparency panel, change the color mode to multiply, and decrease the opacity. OK, this is the presentation. You can get creative and make many different layouts. Now save your presentation as PDF. And it is ready to be sent to the client. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, and if you want more tutorials consider subscribing. And as always, I will mention the best comments in the next tutorial video, so write in the comments section what is the most important thing that you learned today. See you in another video.